In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to raise your hand on Microsoft Teams. With more and more daily interactions taking place online, knowing how to make use of digital tools efficiently can really enhance collaboration. So, today we'll walk through how you can raise your hand during a Microsoft Teams meeting, ensuring that your voice is heard without interrupting the ongoing discussion. To kick things off, you'll want to navigate to the Microsoft Teams website. Open your internet browser and type in the URL. Once you're on the landing page, take a look at the top right corner of the screen, where you'll find the Sign In button. Go ahead and click on it. This will prompt you to sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to proceed. Follow the instructions provided to ensure you're logged in. Once you've successfully logged in, it's time to get to the chat and join a meeting. You'll find the chat icon usually located on the sidebar. Click on it to see your scheduled meetings or ongoing calls. Select the meeting you wish to join. When you're ready and have everything set up, locate the Join Now button. Clicking this will enter you into the meeting environment. Now that you're in the meeting, let's talk about how to raise your hand. Look up at the top right corner of the meeting screen. On that menu, you should see a little hand icon labeled Raise. When you click this Raise Hand icon, a digital hand is displayed next to your name in the Participants section. This visual symbol lets others in the meeting know you wish to speak, without having to disturb the flow of conversation. One beneficial aspect of this feature is that it actively helps maintain order and respect among participants, allowing everyone to express their thoughts in turn. It can be particularly useful during larger group meetings, where moderation is key. Remember, once you've had your turn to speak, it's considerate to lower your hand manually by clicking the same hand icon again. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to raise your hand during a meeting on Microsoft Teams. This small but mighty feature is essential for effective communication and can significantly improve the flow of virtual meetings. Don't forget to practice this in your next meeting to see how it works firsthand. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay connected and enjoy seamless communication in your Microsoft Teams meetings. Happy collaborating!